Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you 10 basic pieces that are part of my autumn wardrobe. Honestly, these are so essential pieces simply because I can mix and match them all together and I can create so many different style combinations. And yeah, as we are approaching autumn days here, not so fast to be honest as maybe somewhere northern, but nevertheless it is good to start preparing for the layering season, and that is exactly what autumn is all about. So for that reason I selected 10 pieces that I know I can mix and match all together, that are so interchangeable and that I know can provide me with so many different style combinations. So I'm going to start with this white shirt. White shirt is the basic of our wardrobe throughout all of the seasons. So of course I'm going to wear a white shirt throughout the spring, summer, autumn and winter, simply because I can layer it, wear it in so many different style combinations and so many different ways. It all comes down to how you style it. If you're doing a front tuck, side tuck, or you're doing a cross tuck, or you're just letting it fall down loosely, there's so many different ways how you can style your white shirt. I love to style my white shirt literally with everything. So as you can see here, I'm wearing it with these creamy pants, but I also love to style it with black jeans, with the leather pants, with literally anything. And of course you can dress it down, you can dress it up. It all comes down to what shoes you're going after. If you're going after something more casual and relaxed, such as loafers or ballet flats, or if you're going after something that is more like a night out appropriate with a pair of heels, there's something so effortless and classy when you're styling your white shirt with creamy pants, creamy mules like I'm doing in this example, or with the black pants. Yeah, there are so many ways how you can style your white shirt and I simply adore it. It's definitely one of my favorite pieces, one of the essential pieces for my wardrobe. Today on the market there are so many beautiful white shirts that you can choose from those more a little bit structured to oversized, some that are having a really loose fit and so on, or you can also go into men's section. You can also find some really beautiful and oversized shirts over there, or you can just go and check out your boyfriend's wardrobe, your brother's, your dad's and so on. I'm actually wearing my dad's shirt. But to elevate your white shirt look even more, all you have to do is pop on a blazer or a trench coat that are also staple pieces of our autumn wardrobe, and I also have them over here. So I have this trench coat. This is a trench coat from H&M. Honestly, today again you can buy so beautiful and affordable trench coats from either H&M and Zara, and I have one this for like a few seasons now. I simply adore it. I really love this beautiful, like it's not really creamy, it's like a little bit tan tone. I just adore it. It's so perfect and it elevates the look instantly. So it's such a no-brainer piece that you can wear for those everyday occasions, but with a pair of sneakers and a simple pair of jeans and a basic shirt, and that's pretty much it. You pop on a trench coat and you're just gonna feel a little bit chic, like you put an effort into a look but you haven't actually done anything. It's all the trench coat doing the work for you. Moving on to the blazer. This one is H&M blazer. It is oversized blazer. I'm aware that on camera it doesn't look as brown as it looks in real life for some reason, but nevertheless it is on a light brown side, and I just love it, especially for this season. Brown is such a hot and trendy color, but honestly when it's not, when it's autumn, like for me brown tone is just always trendy for autumn season. Not trendy, but just a tone that is always there for autumn and just belongs into autumn season. That's at least in my opinion. But yeah, I really love this one because again I can style it with everything that I have over here. I just love how I can wear a blazer for every day with loafers, ballet flats, pair of sneakers, or I can just elevate the look by just tossing on a pair of heels and popping on a blazer over it. It looks so elegant. So yeah, I just adore blazers, especially these oversized. They give you that effortless touch to the look, but nevertheless I also love those structured blazers. Of course I had to select only one, since now we're talking about capsule wardrobe for autumn, and that would definitely be this oversized brown blazer. Moving on to the next piece, and that would be a simple white tee. Over here I have this basic H&M white tee. I simply adore it. It is on a thicker side, so it's not a see-through piece. It's a really beautiful material. I love the crew neck line. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite pieces, and for sure I'm going to wear it in autumn season, especially now during these days when it's not so cold. It's really nice to toss on this really cute white t-shirt that I know I can wear with everything, with a simple pair of black jeans, leather pants, creamy pants, with literally anything, with a pair of sneakers for every day, or with a pair of some heels for a night out. Honestly, there are so many ways how you can style your basic white tee. Of course, if you want to make it be even more appropriate for a night out, all you have to do is add some gorgeous hoops, some earrings, or some a little bit maybe more chunkier necklace, and so on. So there are so many ways how you can style and elevate your white shirt throughout the day, for every day and then for a night out occasion. But nevertheless, it's part of my capsule wardrobe. It's needless to say, simply because I absolutely adore to wear it now in the autumn season with literally anything. Next piece that is part of my autumn capsule wardrobe is this gorgeous shirt. This is like in comparison to this white shirt, it's like an elevated shirt that you want to have, at least when it comes to me. I love them because they're a little bit thicker material, so as we are moving into autumn season, we can still wear shirts, but instead of those really lightweight shirts that we're wearing for summer, in autumn we are moving towards those a little bit thicker material shirts, such as this example over here, and I really love it. It is on a crop side, but I really love this gorgeous material. I love all the details, really beautiful and elegant neckline, and this really beautiful and gorgeous 3 buttons over here. I just love how it's so easy to style them with literally anything, with creamy pants, with white jeans, with whatever I want. Like, I can easily style it and they can instantly elevate the look. And moving on to the next piece, that would be this black turtleneck sweater. I really love this one because it is a little bit having that loose fit to it, which adds to that elegant and effortless look. But I do have to say, as I was recording parts with this sweater, I was sweating simply because it is so warm here, and I definitely can't be wearing something like this for next 1 month, that's for sure. But simply because we are talking about the autumn capsule wardrobe, of course I had to include it. Same goes for the trench coat. I'm not going to wear it for next 1 month, but again, we're talking for autumn, and therefore they're definitely the basic pieces of the autumn wardrobe. So yeah, what I love about this sweater is that I can easily wear it with literally anything, with the black jeans, leather pants, with the white jeans, these creamy pants, literally anything. I can dress it down, dress it up, wear it with the loafers and leather pants, or wear it with the ballet flats, wear it with a pair of heels, with literally anything. And simply because it is such a basic piece, it is so easy to elevate it. So for example, if I want to wear it for a night out, I can just again toss on a pair of statement earrings or a statement necklace over it, and that will definitely finish the look and give it that night out appropriate feeling. So yeah, these sort of pieces, it's really important to have one sweater that you can always go towards to when you don't know what to wear, and for me it's definitely this one. I know that this is like a safest option that I have because it goes perfect with literally anything. And now I'm moving on to the pants. I will start with these pants that I'm wearing right now, and if you watched some of my previous videos on my channel, you probably know just how much I have been talking about these pants. These are Zara pants. I simply adore them. I just cannot stress enough how beautiful, elegant, and comfortable they are. It is most important that all of the pieces that we place to be the part of our not just now autumn capsule wardrobe, but any capsule you're creating, they need to be first comfortable. Once they're comfortable pieces, pieces that you really feel like you can breathe, then those pieces deserve to be part of your capsule wardrobe, and that is definitely the case with these pants. I just love them. They're a little bit on a looser side. I love the pleating over here. It just adds an elegant touch to the look, and yeah, they're just absolutely amazing. These are definitely the pants with the highest waist that I have, and that's what I adore about them. I can dress them down and wear them with a pair of sneakers, with a simple white shirt, but again, I can also elevate them with a pair of creamy mules. I can pop on a trench coat over it, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, I just adore these pants because I can wear them with literally everything that I selected over here, but not just here, literally with almost all of the pieces in my wardrobe. And don't be surprised if you see me repeating these pants over and over again. I just adore them, okay? So moving on to the next, and that will be these black jeans. These are Zara black jeans. I just adore them. They're just high-waisted. They're having that mom cut design. I just love because they're having this ankle cut. Of course, I rolled them in one of these examples, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I really love to roll my pants a little bit. I just believe that adds something to the chicness of the overall look. But yeah, jeans like this can be easily, again, just as anything that I already previously mentioned, they can easily be dressed down, dressed up. All comes down to how you style it. Nevertheless, they go perfect with anything. And as we're approaching autumn season, I believe it is important to mention that these black jeans or darker wash denim are the denim that you want to go for in autumn winter season. I don't have a pair of darker wash denim, but I do have these black jeans, and I believe, yeah, they are the staple of our wardrobe. So yeah, of course, I put them here to be part of my autumn capsule wardrobe, but nevertheless, they're the staple of my wardrobe throughout all of the seasons. Maybe I don't wear them during summer simply because it's too warm in them, but nevertheless, throughout the year, they're just my must. Similar to the black jeans, I over here have white denim jeans. I know I mentioned that in autumn season, winter season, we are going after the darker wash denim or like a black denim, but as someone who really loves to wear white pants in spring summer season, I really love to continue wearing white in winter as well. So for that reason, I'm wearing these white jeans. I really love the cut of these jeans. They're also high-waisted, and I really love the finish at the ankles. They're having the looser fit, so they're so flattering, so comfortable, and again, I can style them with literally anything over here. And then we have these leather pants, and I honestly cannot stress enough just how much I adore these leather pants. They're part of my capsule wardrobe for always autumn and winter season. I simply adore them, and I'm definitely gonna wear them on repeat once the weather is appropriate, because they're so warm. Like they're super warm, and that's what I adore about them. In comparison to the other pieces, or like in comparison to these pants, which are really high-waisted, these leather pants are not as much as high-waisted. They're having that medium waist, but nevertheless they're so beautiful. I just love because they're having something so sporty in them. It all comes down, of course, how I styled them, but nevertheless, again, I'm repeating myself, but all of these pieces can be dressed up, dressed down, and that is what I try to show in these examples, just to show you how even though all of these pieces are just so basic, but you can style them in so many different ways. It all comes down just what shoes you're styling them and pairing them with. So yeah, I love to style these leather pants with white, simple white shirt with black turtleneck. Yes, I wanted to die while recording that. It was so warm while recording this segment, but yeah, I just love these nevertheless, and I can't wait for weather to get a little bit chillier so I can simply start wearing these pants. These are Zara leather pants. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Honestly, Zara has such an amazing pair of leather pants, or just pants in general. These are also Zara pants. So yeah, I definitely prefer Zara over H&M when it comes to pants, but nevertheless I love them both. And over there you can find some pieces that can be the staple of your wardrobe for years and years to come. I honestly don't see myself replacing these pieces at all, simply because I know I can wear them on repeat. And as I mentioned it all depends how you style it. If you style it with some ballet flats, it's just gonna have that everyday vibe. If you go after a pair of pumps, it's gonna appear more elevated and on that elegant side. So yeah, that would be it, girls. This will be all the looks that I prepared for you today. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying this transitional period as we are slowly here, very slowly approaching autumn season, but nevertheless you can feel it in the air. So yeah, that will be it in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, happy transitional time of the year. Until next time, bye!